Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're doing something a bit different. We're focusing on just one product based on a critical review we looked at, the BeeMedix Bee Venom Cream. And the claims for this cream are, well, pretty wild. You shared the source material detailing this. It says it relieves chronic joint pain, reduces inflammation, helps with skin problems like acne, boosts collagen, and reverses signs of aging. That's quite the list.
It really is.
So our mission today is to figure out if this is, legitimate or if it's just overblown marketing hype.
Well, when you see a single cream promising to do the work of like several different medical specialists all at once, yeah, skepticism is definitely the right starting point. Our look at the sources shows you need to scrutinize this stuff. We have to look for actual concrete evidence, not just fancy promises.
Okay, let's dive into that skepticism. First up, maybe the biggest issue right away, the whole claims versus proof problem. They really push the idea that this cream is clinically tested. Sounds impressive.
It does sound good.
But here's to get to the sources point out. There's zero actual data backing it up. No certificate, no medical report, not even a summary of any study. It feels very much like a marketing phrase, doesn't it?
Absolutely. And that lack of real proof ties right into the second major red flag. The sheer scope of the claims.
Right.
It's not just one or two things. The list is enormous arthritis, nerve pain, acne, wrinkles, scars, wound healing. I mean, it goes on and on.
It's that old saying, isn't it? If something claims to cure practically everything,
It probably cures nothing. Exactly. It's a classic warning sign. If this ingredient was truly that revolutionary doing all those things, believe me, the scientific community would be buzzing about it.
yeah, you'd think so.
The fact that they claim this huge range of benefits without any verifiable trial data, it strongly suggests they're just casting a super wide net, trying to appeal to anyone with any issue, hoping the lack of depth isn't noticed.
So, okay, if they don't have the hard science, what do they lean on? Well, that brings us to red flag number 3, aggressive sales tactics. It seems they try to create, like, a sense of panic.
Oh, definitely.
The sources detail all these pressure techniques, limited time offer, going fast, low stock, high demand, messages everywhere.
Yeah, that's textbook high-pressure selling. It's all designed to make you feel rushed, to push you into buying on emotion right now before you have a chance to think critically or look elsewhere.
Skirting the whole thinking process.
Exactly. They don't want you researching ingredients or looking for independent reviews. They want you clicking buy now out of a manufactured fear of missing out.
Or speaking of what they do show you, let's look at the evidence they provide. Red flags 4 and 5. The visual and social proof. First, those before and after pictures.
Yes, the photos. The sources describe them as, well, frankly unrealistic. They look too good, like overly glossy, maybe dramatic transformations that seem biologically improbable, let's say. There were hints the lighting is inconsistent between shots, or maybe the photos aren't even of the same person or just grabbed from somewhere else online.
Designed to just give that wow factor, regardless of reality.
Precisely. When the proof looks that polished, that perfect, you really have to question its authenticity. Who took them? Under what conditions?
And then there's the social proof, the customer reviews right there on their website. This part is almost cleverly deceptive, according to the sources.
Right. The reviews featured on the site, they're described as just too perfect, all glowing 5-star ratings, often using similar phrases, sometimes even repeated or like copy-pasted.
Suspiciously uniform.
Very. But the real kicker the sources highlight is a contrast. Their site is full of this perfect praise, yet you can barely find any genuine, independent discussion or reviews about the product on other major platforms, like forums or consumer watchdog sites.
That silence elsewhere is pretty telling.
It really is. It strongly suggests those on-site reviews are probably fake, just put there to build this illusion of trust and satisfaction.
So let's wrap this up. What's the takeaway for you, the listener? The BeeMedix cream, based on this critical analysis, shows a really concerning pattern of red flags. There's a fundamental lack of verifiable proof for huge claims, coupled with really aggressive panic-based marketing, and the evidence they do offer, the photos and reviews, looks highly questionable, likely fabricated. It makes trusting this product very difficult.
And maybe here's the final thought to consider. Drawing from the source material, think about where the company puts its resources. If they invest heavily in slick, high-pressure marketing, in creating fake-looking testimonials,
Right.
but invest apparently nothing in generating actual, verifiable clinical data to support their miracle claims, what does that imbalance tell you about how much they actually believe in their own product? It's a useful lens to apply to other products, too. Think about that marketing versus data balance next time you see extraordinary claims.